Alright, so this is how the DHT sensor looks like. It has a lot of holes in the front side, nothing behind, just written. And it has 4 legs. So 4 legs, each of them, they're going to be connected. So this one is going to be connected to ground. This one needs to be connected to VCC, that's 5 volts or 3.3 volts for now, it's fine. And this one is to be connected to one of the GPIO pins, right? So we're going to connect it to the GPIO pins, and between these two pins, you need to have a pull-up resistance, a resistance of around 10 kilo ohms. So we're going to connect that up, and let's see what we're going to do. So get it up running. Let's put this up here. These are the 4 pins that we have. The third pin need not be connected to anything as of now. So one of them, as I told you, it's to be connected to ground. That's the 4th pin out here. So I'm going to connect it to ground. So let's say this one. That's the last one. I have to connect it to ground. So I connect it to the same ground which has been connected in the previous button's case. So the ground is there. Let me connect another one to 5 volt. So let me say a red wire I'm going to use for connecting it to the 5 volt. And let me say this is the sensor which needs to be connected to the 5 volt. So I'm going to connect that up to the 5, right? But 5's here. Oh, that's a 3.3. That's a 5. Okay, and then let me make another connection where I need to connect this thing, but before that I need to put a 10k. Just find out a 10k ohm resistance, and then we can go ahead with that. So let's find out a resistance of 10 kilo ohms, and once that is done, we can get it up and running. So a 10k would look like, even if it's not 10k, you can even have a closer value, which can be quite small. But as enough is 10k. So I have 330 ohms. 330 ohms is too small. Can't take that. So now, okay, so. Okay, so I found out the resistance. Cool. So here I have all the resistance. I have a 10k out here. You can have a look. I have a 10k resistance, which is there. So a 10k is typically brown, black, orange. Brown, black, orange. You can connect these two. So it's a pull-up resistance which connects both of them together. Just connect this to somehow get it squeezed, connect both of them together, and we'll get the output out there in some time. So let's say that's one, but I need to get my GPIO pin number 20 connected to the second one where I have my resistance end. Where's my second resistance end is connected. So I'm going to connect that over here, and with that my DHT connections are all up and ready. Okay, so we need to run the program and check whether things are working fine. So we get back to the program.